Yeah, good evening children. Welcome back to our SAT math class of solid geometry. So, we have done in our previous class geometry 1, solid geometry 1. Now, we are going into solid geometry 2. Let us see what is there in store for us. So, a cylinder is cut through the dotted line shown in the figure. So, like this, parallel to these two. Okay. So, that means exactly at the center. See, H and H, so exactly at the center. Okay. To obtain two cylinders, what is the ratio of the total surface area of the final two cylinders to the total surface area of the original cylinder? So, what is total surface area of any of these? So, lateral surface area, so this is, lateral surface area plus 2 base. So, this is 2 pi r square, 2 pi r square area of surface, each of the surface, plus 2 pi r h, 2 pi r h. Okay. So, now this is 2h, height of this is 2h. So, what is this S and what is this? O is total surface area, B is base area, that is pi r square, S is side area, that is 2 pi r h. Okay. So, O total surface area is lateral surface area, this is called as lateral surface area plus 2 times area of base. Lateral surface area is 2 pi r h, 2 pi r h. So, and radius, so radius is h by 2. So, 2 pi r h. So, 2 pi r and height is h. Okay. And 2 times base area is what? Pi r square. 2 base areas means 2 pi r square, r is h by 2 whole square. So, this is this and this is this. Okay. So, if you simplify that, you will get 5 pi h square by 2. Okay. So, that means we got original area of each of this smaller piece. So, now what is that main this one? So, 2 pi r square plus this total surface area, this is pi r square, 3 pi h square. So, children, this we will change it. So, now what is that he asked? He said the cylinder is cut through the dotted line, this is the dotted line shown in the figure. To obtain two cylinders, what is the ratio of total surface area of final two cylinders? See, it is like this. So, first each cylinder is a lateral surface area plus 2 pi r square. Okay. So, this is of each cut cylinder. Okay. So, LSA is 2 pi r is h by 2 into height is h. Okay, that is LSA plus 2 pi r square h by 2 whole square. This is of one of the cut areas, but we have two pieces or not? TSA of two cut pieces is 2 into this all. So, what is this? 2 gets cancelled, pi h square plus pi h square by 2. So, this is 2 and 2 gets cancelled, 2 plus 1 3 is 3 pi h square. Okay. TSA, total TSA. Now, what is that? He says ratio of total surface area of the final two cut cylinders to the surface area of the original cylinder. What is the surface area of original cylinder? Is LSA plus 2 times area of base. LSA is 2 pi r is h by 2 into height is 2h from here to here, plus 2 times area of base is pi r square. So this is 2 pi h square plus pi h square by 2. So if you take 5 pi h square, so ratio of this to this means you will get 3:5. So 3:5, what is that we are getting? So this is by 2 is there, no? 2 plus 2, 4 by 2. So this is 3:5 by 2. 3:5 by 2. So that is nothing but 6:5, correct or not? So which option you have? Option A, right children? See, always total surface area is nothing but LSA plus 2 times area of base if both bases are there. If it is open lid, means with lid, without lid. If it is without lid, it is 1 times area of base. So this is very important children. So TSA of one cut piece is LSA plus 2 pi r square, because 2 times area of base, we have 2 side surfaces. So LSA is 2 pi RH formula plus this, h is r is h by 2. You see, diameter is height, so radius is h by 2. Radius is h by 2. Okay. So now this is radius. So that's what we have written. So that is TSA of 2 cut pieces. You have 2 pieces or not? So 2 pieces is 2 times this. So 2 times this is 3 pi h square by 2 into 2 gets cancelled, you will get 3 pi h square. Total surface area of original cylinder is LSA 2 pi r is h by 2 into height is 2h plus 2 times 1 base here, 1 base here, 2 pi r square is h by 2 whole square. So this if you take LCM here, you will get as 5 pi h square by 2. Ratio means 3 pi h square by 5 pi h square by 2, that is 6:5. Pi h square gets cancelled, you will get 6:5. This is the final answer. Okay children, please note it fast, quick. Okay children, so let us go to the next question. This is same whatever we have done. Same thing, it is taking a lot of time and space. We will go to the next question. Yeah. So now let us see children, what is that he says. A cylinder is inscribed inside a cube of edge length 5 units. What is the maximum value that the volume of the cylinder can take? Okay. So now look at this. This is a cube of side 5 units. So diameter of this cylinder is also 5. Diameter of cylinder is 5 implies radius is 5 by 2. What is that he says? A cylinder is means height is what? 5 units only. Height of cylinder is 5 units. So now what is that he is saying? He is saying what volume it can take. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h, isn't it? Area of base into height. Area of base is pi r square into height. Pi into r is how much? 5 by 2 whole square into height is 5. This is pi by 4 into 5 cube is 125. So 125 pi by 4, option B. Right, children? So these formulas are important. Volume is area of base into height. Okay. So area of base is pi r square into height is h. Okay. H is 5. So substituted and got it. Quick, children. Yeah, let us go to the next question. Look at this. If the cube in the figure is cut through the plane ABCD, so this, so you'll get one triangular prism here and other triangular prism this side. Okay. What would be the difference between the original surface area of the cube and the total surface area of two resultant triangular prisms? So I think same kind of problem we have done even in the previous lecture, but anyway, look at this. So total, two individual prisms are what? It is 2 times surface area of a triangular prism. Okay. So now look at this. What is that you are getting by Pythagorean theorem? So the diagonal is root 2 times side. That is what we have discussed earlier. So many times we have done. Diagonal of any cube will be root 2 times the side. Okay. So root 2a you will get it. So area of ABCD is AB into BC, that is root 2 times side into height is A units, which is root 2 times A square. Total surface, total extra area is 2 root 2A, this into 2 times you are getting. So that means he is asking you to find out what? The only extra surface considered to the surface of the cut. So this is one extra surface you are getting or not, that is base into height. So this is root 2A into A, like that. So that's what he is asking you to find out. Right, children? Please note it fast, quick. From here you start copying. Anyway, this is a click you can take fast. Yes, children, let us go to the next question, next page. So, look at this. Quick, children. See, when you cut it, you will get two surfaces, isn't it? This is the cube. So, this is the cube. So, when you cut it like this, you will get one surface here for the other piece, and other surface is the same for this piece. So, that is why we are getting 2 into this one piece area. Okay. This is ABCD, isn't it? So, length is root 2a and breadth is a. So, area is length into breadth, that is what we have written here. Okay. So, let us go to the next question, children. See, this is the object, this is triangular prism, and with base as square, So, what is that? The object shown in the figure is called a square right pyramid, not prism. It has a square base ABCD, that is what we said, square base ABCD of edge length A. So, this is length A and height OE, this is height from here to here, height is H, length A and height H. Okay. OE is perpendicular to the base of the pyramid. OE is perpendicular to the base of the pyramid. CE is equal to how much? Where is CE? This. So, this is right triangle or not? So, this is AC equal to root 2 times side, correct or not? Root 2 times side. Already we have discussed, diagonal is always root 2 times side in a square. Okay. So, AC will be root 2 times side. OC is half of AC, that is A by root 2. OC we got it as A by root 2. EO is equal to H. Now, EC is by Pythagoras theorem root of OC square plus EO square. So, that is root of A by root 2 whole square plus H square. So, this is the answer, A square by 2 plus H square under root. Okay. So, that is the thing you will be getting. So, A square by 2 we got, A square by 2 plus H square. So, option is D. Please note it fast, quickly. Note it fast, quick. Right, children, let us go to the next question. This already we have done. Now, you see, the object shown in the figure is called a square right pyramid. Same question. See, height is also same, side is also length A. So, AC equal to root 2 times A. So, AC is root 2 times A. So, next OC is anyway half of AC, A by root 2. This is over. Now, what is that he says? OE is perpendicular to the base, that is known. Find the surface area of the pyramid. Surface area of pyramid is what? Total surface area is LSA plus area of base. Only one base is there, isn't it? LSA is perimeter of base into height. Plus area of base. So, LSA is perimeter of base into height is for any structure. TSA is LSA plus area of base if it has only one base. It will be plus 2 times area of base if it has up and bottom, 2 surfaces when it has. So as this pyramid has only one base, so we will take only one area of base. So perimeter of base is square's perimeter is 4a into height of the perimeter is h plus area of base is side square. So this is 4ah plus a square, that is total surface area of the pyramid. So now what is that we are getting? OC is, anyway, that is okay. Height is known, this is known. What is that satisfies? 4ah plus a square. H is not there anywhere in the answers. Is it there? Yeah, H is there. So what is that he is exactly asking? FOE. FE is equal to a square by 4, base area is a square, 4 times area of triangle BCE. Okay children, we will do one thing, we will use this logic. So let us check this. See, total surface area means what? We have one surface here, triangular surface, other surface here, one behind, one on the left side. Total 4 triangles, isn't it? So TSA is 4 times area of triangle plus area of base, because do you know what is the mistake we have done? We have taken a surface with 2 bases or one base and other is open lid like that, okay? But this is prism, no. Pyramid, no. Pyramid does not has same surface, it has cut surface. So LSA plus 2 times area of base or 1 times area of base will not work. So we have to change the formula here. So that's why we are using this. So 4 times area of triangle means this triangle, children, okay? So this is, what is this length? EC. So OC is equal to a by root 2, we have already proved in the previous case, and height is h. This is EO. Now I want EC. I want EC. EC is equal to root of a by 2 whole square is a square by 2 plus h square. This is EC, we got it. This is EC. Okay. Now if you drop a perpendicular onto this, this will be a by 2 or not? You know EC. So this is height of this triangle. So this we call it as x. So this is x. So x is height, x equal to root of EC square minus AC square, that is a by 2 whole square. So that is EC square means what? Root of a square by 2 plus h square minus a square by 4. So this is root of a square by 4 plus h square. This is x. So now what is that we are getting? 4 times area of base. Area of base is half in area of triangle, half into base is a into height is x, okay, plus area of base, this one side square. So this is 2 times a is a only, and x is what? X is root of a square by 4 plus h square plus a square. So this is the answer, children, okay. So now see what is that I have done. See, simple logic. See how many surfaces we have. See, one surface on this side, one surface behind, one surface on the left, one surface on the front. 4 surfaces, 4 triangular surfaces we have. It is like this. This is E, B, C. BC is A. So if you drop a perpendicular, this is A by 2. Okay. So now this height we call it as x. EC we got it as root of a square by 2 plus h square. This we did in the previous problem. Okay, you can go there and see. So this is the logic we have, half into base into height. So what is x, root of this square minus this square, Pythagoras theorem. That's what I did. Simplify, you'll get it like this. So now what is, like these triangles, we have 4 triangles, one in the front, one in this side, one in the back, one is on the left side. So 4 times area of base is 4 into area of triangle is half into base into height. So x value we know, and plus area of base, this is total surface area. 4 sides triangles and 1 base, square base. So square area is a square. So this, if you simplify, you'll get it like this. Where is this option? This option is there in option A. Okay, that is there in option A. Right, children? Like this. Please note it fast, quick. Quick, children. Okay, children, let us go to the next question. What is this? B, C, D, where is A? Yeah, this is 3-dimensional structures, children. Yeah, you can see it and understand very clearly how it is. B is like this, C is like this, D is like this. So this is the cradle, isn't it? This is the shape of cradle. So you know, they tie with a cloth or with some wooden this thing they make, and they hang it. So that is what is this shape, isn't it? So you can understand this shape. That's what answer is D. This is a 3-dimensional structure where it is. In the other case, it was a plane structure. Okay. So I think this also you can take screenshot so that you understand exactly how the cradle looks like. Okay. Please note it fast, children. So, right, children, let us go to the next question. Yeah, this you see. The figure shown is a right circular cylinder. The circumference of each circular base is 20, means this is 2 pi r. If I call this as radius, so 2 pi r equal to 20. So that is 10 by pi. Okay, radius is 10 by pi. The length AD is 14. So this is 14. Height is 14. Either you can call it as length or height, whatever it is. Okay. And AB and CD are diameters of each base respectively. AB is this and CD, they are diameters, we know. If the cylinder is cut along AD, open and flattened, means it is flattened like this. Okay. What is the length of AC to the nearest tenth? AC is this. Okay. So that is nothing but see, it is like this, children. When it is cut open, it looks like this. Okay. So AD is cut, it is open, so you will get a rectangular piece. Okay. Understood? So you should find out AC. This is 14 units he gave, this is 10 units he gave. Okay. So therefore, what will be the x? X is root of 14 square plus 10 square. So that is root of 296. 296 is 70.20465. Okay. Please note it fast, quick. Quick, children. So from here you need to copy it, isn't it? Please note it fast, quick. Right, children, let us go to the next page. Quickly copy it. Right. Let us go to the next question. How many spherical snowballs with a radius of 4 centimeters can be made with the amount of snow in a spherical snowball of radius 8 centimeters? So, volume of sphere is what? A spherical ball is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So, first is 8 and other is 4. So, how many such balls can be made? He says 4 by 3 pi radius cube by 4 by 3 pi radius cube. So, this is 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi gets cancelled. So, 8 cube is 8 into 8 into 8 by 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4. So, 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So, that is the option C. Right, children? Please note it fast, quick. Right, children, so let us go to the next question. See, the figure given in the right circular cylinder with a height of 10 centimeters and base radius 7. So, this is 7, this is 10, okay, fine. What is the surface area in square inches of cylinder to the nearest integer? Surface area is what? You have one lid in the top, one lid in the bottom. So, total surface area is LSA plus 2 times area of base. Okay. LSA is 2 pi RH. Okay. Plus 2 times area of base is pi r square. 2 pi you take common. So, r is 7 into height 10 plus 7 square. So, 2 into 22 by 7 into 7, if you take common, you will get 17. So, 44 into 17 TSA. So, we need to find out that value. 44 into 17 is how much? 747 point something you are getting, 699. Please note it fast, 748 inches approximately. So, please note it. So, this is the figure. Please note this first page. This is 2 pi r, children. This is 2 pi r. So, please note this fast, quickly. So, instead of all these children, we can also do what we have done there, okay. That is also same, you see, area LSA plus 2 times area of base. So, anyway, you copy it fast, quick. Okay, so let us go to the next question. What is the height of the cylinder whose volume is 18 pi and whose radius is 3? Height of cylinder is how much? So, options are given. Volume is area of base into height. What is area of base? Pi r square into height. So, volume is given as 18 pi. So, pi gets cancelled, equal to r square, radius is 3 square into height. So, height equal to 18 by 9, that is 2. So, option is A. Quick, children. Right, children, let us go to the next question. You see, here you have one cylinder and one cone, okay. Annie is building a new silo to store grain. If the dimensions of the silo are shown, how much grain could the silo hold, assuming it is filled to the top? Means total grain that can be filled is volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h plus volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. That is what you have to do. So, this is radius, height is h square he gave here, and here it is h he gave. So, pi you take common, r square you take common. So, you will get h also common, pi r square h if you take common. Here you are left over with h and here you are left over with 1 by 3. So, volume is D. You just look at this, option D. Okay, this much is not required, we will only work out this. Volume of cylinder plus volume of cone is total volume. Okay, please note it, children, quick. See, children, to solve these problems, you should know this formula. If you forget the formulas, finished, gone. So, please note all the formulae. We have given you something called as concepts, definitions, formulas. In that you have all the formulae that we are doing here. So, please go to that concepts, definitions, formulas and learn all the formulae once, so that you don't commit mistakes. Okay. Wherever we commit mistakes means we are forgetting the formula. In one of the case we have done same, just if you have observed before, we committed a mistake of using some wrong formula or wrong thing there. Okay. So, please don't do that, learn the formula once. Okay. Let us go to the next question. This is okay? Yeah. If 50 guests are expected at a party, 50 guests are expected at a party and each guest is expected to drink 3 cylindrical glasses of punch. So, 50 and each guest is taking 3 cylindrical. So, 150 cylindrical glasses of punch they are going to take all together. And each glass has radius of 5 centimeters, height is 10 centimeters, excuse me. What must be the minimum capacity of the punch bowl in cubic centimeters? So, the bigger bowl in which that punch is kept. So, 150 punches should be stored So it should fill each of the glass, 150 glasses it should fill. So he said minimum capacity, so there should be volume of the bigger bowl, okay. So radius is 5 and this one is this. So 150 into volume of each one, volume of each glass, okay. Okay. So now 150 into volume is what? Pi r square h into pi r square. R square means what? 5 square into h is 10. Right, children, are you observing? We are filling with 150 glasses. Each volume of each glass is pi r square h. Okay. So this is 150 into 25 into 10. So this is 1500 into 25 pi. So 25 5s 125. So 25 ones 25 plus 2. 375 0 0 pi. So option is what? 37,500 pi. Okay. Please note it fast. Children, have you followed? So 50 guess, each one is taking 3 glasses, means total glasses consumed is 50 into 3. So that big bowl should have the volume which is equal to 150 glasses volume, 150 into volume of each glass, pi r square h. So you get this, okay. Note it fast, quick. Okay, children, let us go to the next question. Anyway, this is not required now. So now look at this. A triangular prism is shown. The area of base, see, this is triangular prism. So base is there, which is a rectangular base. Okay. So 10 and 18. Length is 10, 18, breadth is 10. The area of base and the volume of the prism respectively. So unless you find the, height is also given. So behind it is rectangle. This base is also rectangle. This is a slant. So you can also find out this is, you can find out root of 10 square plus 7 square like that. So height is known and this length and breadth are known. So now he is asking you to find out the volume. So what is the volume? Half into base into height for triangle. Okay. So this you will get it as 35, that is area of triangular base. So height, what is height? 18. This length is height or not? So volume is 35 is area of triangle into height is 18. So that is nothing but 630 cubic units. So this is base, area of base into height. This is height, isn't it? Area of base into height is the volume. So that's what we are doing it here. Okay. So please note it from page 1. Please note this diagram, means sketch, take a screenshot, then to the solution. Quick, children. Okay, let us go to the next page quickly. So copy it fast. Okay, children, let us go to the next question. The cube has a volume of this cubic inches. What is the surface area of the cube in square inches? So, what is volume of cube? Side cube is volume. What is that he gave? 1728. 1728. Take factors for this. Let us take 16. 16, 1, 16. You will have 12, 128, 0. So, is 16 coming out? Let us take smaller numbers and see. Is it divisible by 9? 9 ones 9. 82, 1, 18. Yes, it will go with 9. Let us check what happens. Okay, I am not sure what happens. 9 ones 9. So, you have 82, 9 9s 81, 18, 9 2s. So, is it divisible by 9 again? No. So, is it divisible by 8? 8 to 16. Yeah. 8 to 16, 8 4s 32. So, now you have 24. So, again you have 8 3s 24. So, this is 8 8 64. So, 3 into 4 whole cube. So, 24 cube. So, this I can write as 8 3s 12, 4 3s 12 whole cube equal to s cube. Side is 12. So, we got side is 12, children, side of the cube. So, what is total surface area? 6s square, TSA. 6 into s square is 12 square. So, that is 6 into 144. 6 4 is 24, 24 plus 2, 26, 6 1 6 plus 2, 8, 864. Option D. Right, children, please note it fast, quick. Right, children, please note it fast, quick. Yes, children, so let us go to the next question. Yeah, the volume of the cylinder shown is 225 pi. So, volume is 225 pi. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. This is radius r. That is radius r. What is the diameter of the base? So, area. What is volume? Area of base into height. Area of base is pi r square. R square into height is 9 equal to 225. Right? R square equal to 9 cancels this how many times? 9 2s 18, 45, 9 5s 45 by pi. Okay. Radius is 5 by root pi. Diameter equal to 2 times radius, that is 10 by root pi. So, option volume of cylinder is 225 pi. Achha, sorry, we forgot pi. So, pi gets cancelled. So, pi is not there. So, 2 times radius is 10. So, please look at this, it is option B. Right, children? So, please note it fast quickly so that we can close this problem. And of course, with this we close here today's session also. We will continue tomorrow. Please take screenshot so that this will be there with you. So, children, please remember LSA, lateral surface area, it is perimeter of base into height. I am talking about cylinders, cubes, something like that, not pyramids. Okay. Cylinders, cube, cuboid, parallelepiped, like that, such things. Okay. Then total surface area is LSA plus 2 times of area of base or 1 times of area of base based on whether it has 2 surfaces or 1 surface. Volume, area of base into height, like that. So if it is prisms, we have pyramids or something like that, we have different formulas. But all the formula you need to learn, we have them all in our concepts, definitions, formulas. Please open them and learn them all. Okay. Thank you, children. Have a great day. Don't get confused with formulas. Thank you.